Alright, good day guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I've got to fix my GoPro 9. I can't really find any real videos or any way to fix it online. I found a couple of videos but no one seems to recommend fixing it, but I dropped it the other day. And it shattered, which was kind of annoying because it's pretty new, wasn't very cheap, and yeah, apparently a lot more fragile than the old one. I've got a Hero 5 which has gone through a fair bit of an abuse and it is still perfect, but yeah, this Hero 9 screen is gone pretty much. I called up a couple of places to see if they'd fix it, places that repairs screens and phones and stuff. One place actually specialised in GoPros apparently, but they still won't fix a Hero 9. So anyway, I think it's a bit wasteful ditching a $700 GoPro. So I did buy a $100 screen and I'm hoping I can fix it. Alright, I just had a look at the few things I've got to do it. So there's obviously the old GoPro 9 that broke. And then these are the two things that I ordered. It was like one package to repair it. But I just realised we need some sort of silicone adhesive stuff to put the screen on the frame and also put the frame on the GoPro. So regardless though, I do need some black silicone adhesive to go around the outside. So might run a Bunnings and grab some. We'll be back.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way.
So I've got some weld bond stuff, but I think it was a bit of a flop because I don't think this is the right stuff. This is just like a glue. I kind of wanted a silicone adhesive and not just adhesive, so might go to J-Car quickly maybe. Otherwise I think that will work. I don't know, I think I'll be hesitant of taking it back into water. But in saying that, I'll probably be hesitant taking it back to water regardless, so yeah, off J-Car. Right, so I just finished it in J-Car, but I didn't have it either, which really wasn't very helpful. I guess my GoPro 9 is no longer water safe, which is alright. Still got the GoPro 5. I suppose eventually I'll get a new GoPro anyway, but hopefully I can still fix it using this weld bond stuff. Glad I came here though, because I realised I didn't really have any tools to get the screen off. So I bought a couple of tools, hopefully I can get the screen off with them. Alright, so I think I've got everything. Got my GoPro, the screen and frame, this weld bond adhesive stuff, and tools. I do have a heat gun as well that I'm going to try and use to heat up the old glue that's in there. Let's skip to time lapse, I guess.
You're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace in my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. So no matter where I go, it's alright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line. That's why I wake up and
don't know if you can see that. I did get the screen off, the old screen off. I plugged the new screen in and it works, so I'm pretty happy with that. The edge on this is a little bit janky, but it should be alright. Trying to clean it up a little bit. Alright, so I thought I found a little hack, but it's not really a hack, but it does help a lot. The little piece of rubber bit that was around the edge here, if you heat that up, you can pull it off relatively easily. And I found if you get a little tiny screwdriver, like this one, you can get it in that hole and pry it back just a little bit to get this plastic bit away from the edge of the GoPro. I believe that hole's only on 2 of the 4 corners and it helps. Anyway, I need to try and get the other screen on now. It's a little bit janky around the edges here, but it's not too bad. This corner's the worst. So now, there's a nerve-wracking part of gluing these and trying to get this back on. So take that off, we'll just test it. It smells like bloody PVA glue. Maybe I'll try to put it on this first. Here goes nothing.
Dark without my bright side. Wanna see your image like an icon. Couldn't even see it with the lights on. Had to try and get you with a Nikon. Yeah, change the atmosphere, you got me.
Alright, I've got a layer on there.
1, 2, 3, don't hit and run with the glory like a gun. It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way.
I really hope this works. This, as I said earlier, this is a $600 camera, so hoping. Should do. Really should. Alright, so I did leave it for a few minutes to dry. For the stuff I use for the outer, it only says 10 seconds, so and it all looks dry, so hopefully it's all done. I'm gonna try and razor blade off any excess. We're updating. Everything's looking good, updating, and I'm thinking I may, in celebration, make a little sequence. Maybe, yeah, I might make a little GoPro sequence, which is not something I normally do. Normally I use this camera. Yeah, anyway, that is it for this video. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I will see you in the next one. Bye! That's it for this.